So today we will create a sword. The final effect will this one. So click it. So with the click new general. Press 1 to front view. Then edit mode. Choose line. Ctrl R to divide. So we select vertex. Choose X-ray model. Then delete all. So and the modifier mirror. So use E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude, and select this one. So Ctrl R, select this one, E to extrude, E to extrude, adjust a little. Okay, so G to move, G to move. Okay, press 3 to side view. So select this one, G to move, G, Y. So this one to scale, E, we can merge it, M to merge. Okay, need to adjust the points into this one. So press 1, X 0, 0, 0. Okay, the shape is ready. Okay, so we can set the name as sword. We can do some adjustment, maybe this one, G, to any shape you want to make it beautiful. Okay, save it. So now we need to add the material. We can click apply. We can set this one up. The material will be emission and the light will be red. Click this one to see the final effect. So no emission. So why? Because we need to set it 50 and the key is here. We need to set the render engine. This one very important. This one ambition. This one is for this one you need to burn. Okay, but it's too light, so we need to change it. Click this one, and then maybe 10, maybe 50 is okay. So why we need to change this one? The light is another point. You can see the light. Okay, so don't care about it. So we need to change this material. select edit model, choose other side, shift to select them all. Then we need to another material. It's done. We click assign. The color will be black, and this one we can change a little. Okay, now we save it. We can render, but render we need to change it to camera view. Okay, we choose this one, camera to view. So direct change the camera from view. Okay, we zoom, shift. Okay, enter the object model. Save it. This word is ready, but we can change something. Now we can make a simple animation. We can render it to see the effect. Yeah, okay. So we can do some animation. Click this one, auto key. Then we click camera. Press I. Location and rotation. It will locate. Then we change it. Change it. Okay, we can zoom if you want. So with G to move. Click this one to end. This one to last previous key. So we see the end will be 80. So we can see the effect. Press. Yeah. Yeah. The camera view is very bad. So if you want, we can teach you how to use better camera view. Okay. This one is ready. Okay, thanks.